Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Elden Ring low FPS problem and also stuttering problem, and I will show you how to boost your performance. First, all you have to do is to type here view advanced system settings and then go to performance settings here and then adjust it for best performance, apply and OK, and then just go back. And after that, go ahead and launch Elden Ring, and that is not enough to improve your performance. So go to this website, which I will leave the link of it in the description. Now once you're here, go to files and then scroll down and you will find a lot of options, and just keep scrolling down until you find performance plus quality. Wait, this one, performance plus quality. This one is better because it won't reduce the quality that much, and also it will boost your performance. So just download it, update it. This update, make sure to download this one and then download it. And if you can't download it, means that you need to log in the website, so you can't download it before login, before you get into your account in this website. And that's it. Log in and then download this mode and then bring it here to your desktop, and after that right click and extract it, and then get this file and open it. You will find more options here, so now just choose whatever options that you need. It depends on your computer. So for me, I prefer this one because it won't remove shadows or the tree animation, but for you, this one, it will help you to improve the FPS. This one, it will boost your FPS more than all of these here. So just, if you need more FPS, choose this one, or choose whatever you want. For me, I will choose this one. And then right click and extract it. It will give you this regulation file. Now once you get this file, all you have to do is to find Elden Ring file location. For me, here it is. For you, maybe you will need to open it from Steam. Anyway, when you get here, all you have to do is to make a backup for regulation file, the original one. Oh wait, I have to shut down this one. Anyway, once you're here, all you have to do is to make original copy, just rename it like that, rename it original, and so when you need it, just remove original and make it like it was before, and then move the new regulation file here into the game, and that's it. Now before launching the game, you need to make sure that you got the offline mode, so I will leave the link of it in the description. So take this mode and move it to the game, and now whenever you want to play, all you have to do is to launch the game from this file, right click and run as administrator, and that's it. And then if you want to play online again, all you have to do is to remove this one, and or you can just rename it something like low boost or something like that, and then get the original back. And that's it. I hope this video helped you to fix your problem, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.